Good afternoon. It's James from Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use a toilet auger and how to unclog a toilet. So we're going to start with taking a look at a toilet auger and how it works. And the one I use specifically, the one I'm showing you is actually my at-home toilet auger, which is the same one I carry in my work truck. And then you'll be actually getting to see a real-life service call with unclogging a toilet. So let's get this thing opened up and I'll show you what we're looking at. So what I have here is the rigid, it's the K6P toilet auger. This is my go-to auger. Just so you know, this isn't like a sponsored video for Rigid or anything like that. It's just me reviewing their tool. But this is my personal at-home toilet auger, and it's the same exact one that I have in my work truck. The reason I like it so much is that you can take this handle off, and you can attach a power drill to it. It's very good for unclogging toilets, but I also use it for clearing out a house trap if I have a house trap stoppage. So it's a super versatile tool. What's nice about it too is that it also extends. There's a button here that is slid down into there, and you could actually extend this auger so that you have more cable than just a couple feet. Most toilet augers, especially the cheaper quality ones, don't have any type of extension to them, so whatever you have on the cable is what you have to work with. At least this one extends, so you can go past the bend of the toilet, and you know, you could usually make your way past the flange and if it's a little bit further along the line. But it's definitely a good versatile tool to have, and you'll get to see now the service call that I ran with this. I did use it by hand. I didn't use a powered drill. You'll see that I was able to extract an object from the toilet, and the ease of using it, and hopefully this will help clients and other plumbers and anyone watching trying to figure out how to unclog their toilet before they have to call in a professional. I mean, look, if you have to, give us a call. I'll come out, I'll unclog your toilet for you. I'd be more than happy to. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let's check out this service call.
We got ourselves a clogged toilet, which I can more than likely unclog it with a plunger. That's no fun. Let's hit it with the auger. Come on. All right. Let's go take a whack at this thing. See if we can get it unclogged. So. She's clogged up. We'll either get lucky and retract the item, or if it's a wad of toilet paper, we'll push it through. This is not a good sign, seeing these and these so close to the toilet. That usually indicates somebody's flushing them. So let's get all set up. So the trick with the toilet auger is to retract it so that the cable is all the way back into the orange sheathing right there, right? What you're going to do next, just drop it down and spin it as you put force on pushing it down. I'm going to flush this again to fill it up with water so that we'll know when we unclog it. I can feel the resistance of something. There we go. You can see we have here a feminine product that completely clogged the toilet. Cannot flush feminine products into the toilet like that. So we're going to get that out. We'll get that disposed of, and we will try snaking it again. We have that taken out. Check one more time. This time I don't feel any resistance like I did before. And there's nothing on it. What I'm going to do to clean my toilet auger off, because I don't want it covered in this stuff, we're going to flush a couple more times. And if it's flushing with the toilet auger in there, then we know we're good. So we're going to pull the toilet auger out, right? And what we're going to do, right, slowly let it drop, pick up the tail end of it, flip it back in. This way the toilet never got scratched. Place our auger back in our garbage bag, and then next we're going to test with toilet paper. Goes down beautifully. I'm going to be a gentleman and just clean this up. One more flush, and then we're good to go.
So it was very easy, straightforward. The whole reason I'm watering this dirt is because there are seeds in here. I forget what seeds are where, but I do have these plants here. Got some tomatoes, zucchinis, cucumbers. But as you could tell, unclogging a toilet, it can be a little challenging sometimes. But in this service call that you just saw me run, I was in and out in a matter of 15 minutes. I think I spent more time setting up my cameras to record it for you guys. Luckily for this client, they got everything back up and running. They do have, I think, 4 or 5 girls in the house. So we were generous enough to actually gift them a brand new toilet auger so that they did not have to call us out for any of these future issues. You know, I'm always very clear with explaining to clients that the only thing that should ever be going through a toilet is toilet paper and human waste. We don't want to see any type of feminine products, paper towels, flushable wipes, baby wipes, rags, anything like that should never ever be flushed down a toilet. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys. I tried something a little different with filming with the 2 points of view for you guys so that you can fully see how to work this tool and get everything up and running. And if there's any questions, leave a comment down below. You could also hit me up at my email, plumguymy@gmail.com, for a free sticker. Shipping them out all across the country, completely free of charge. Just send me your name and your address, and I'll get them in the mail, and I'll get them shipped out to you. Appreciate you guys tuning in today and watching. And we got some fun stuff going on this week that I'm looking forward to sharing with you. I'm also getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I have reached out to a multitude of manufacturers to see if we could work out some sort of giveaway. So I got some stuff in the works, and we'll see what we could do in terms of that. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful evening.